השתמשנו בדירה של אפשטיין, זה דבר נכון, אבל...
So hello everybody. So you clicked on this video because you want to get the silk spear, but you don't know how. You're a beginner. You want silk spear fast. Well, first of all, obviously your goal right now is to get the moss rocket. What are these controls? No, I do not want to say the code to keyboard. Oh yeah.
טוב, אהוד, יש לנו אחלה תוכנית, אתה לא מבין איזה סיפורים הבאנו.
Yeah, these are my settings.
אחד, ששיר, זה לא בנפרד, הוא שיר במשמרות המהפכה.
I'm used to Minecraft right now. It's a different game. I posted a video about it too. So you're trying to get the silk spear. So obviously this game must start and you just have to climb all the way up. And fight first boss.
הפרשנים לענייני איראן, מתי עם הסיפור הכי מוכר?
Let's go.
אני לא ידעתי את הסיפור לנו, עשיתי לא עומד.
נכון, אז תודה שבאת. קודם כל אני אגיד לך, זה אתה יודע, הם מתחלקים לאלה שמתים על זה שאתה
So I'm gonna be showing some stuff that you can skip with glitches later on. Later on, though, I'm gonna post videos on how to do specific skips. But currently we are not doing any skips. Also, this is Steel Soul if you didn't notice. You see how my sub thingy is English? That means that I'm in a Steel Soul. Where basically, with this, I am practically unable to die. Sword. Like, I am able to die, but if I die, completely gone. The safe house. Two of our eggs to immediately start the fight, and now you're fighting. I did turn that off because I was trying to do my Steel Soul around. I did it on the 5 hours like to a rhino. Unfortunately. So immediately after defeating the Moth Mother, this door, you see it? Open. Oh, I did not mean to bind. Bind is your healing. That's my preferable settings. So, just don't argue with my settings. These are my preferences. GG. You died. I'm just kidding. You got that down. Now the chapel maid. The chapel maid is this thing. Up with you if I won't have you dying on the floor. She's trying to wake you up. Awake at last. You should mind your strength, traveler. There's no use wasting energy on old nobodies like me. I see the act now, madam. My welcome to your land had not been kind. I had reasons to be wary. So you're another pilgrim then. Cut the lot of darkness to climb the great path and bow at its gilded peaks. I'm no pilgrim. I'm Hornet, and I arrived your land by no choice of mine. You see, she said she's Hornet. That means this is not the first. I was brought to your kingdom by force capture, by strange buck clad in veil. Also, the reason I said this is not the silk song is because people say that this is not the silk song, but she willingly addresses herself as, oh, how curious, the bugs of the citadel were at the summit of our lands, and they veiled themselves in service to their faith, or perhaps as slaves to something great. Then I shall seek their citadel. If the veiled bugs would go to such lengths to be near, I intend to find a way out to why. How ferocious, intimidating is no pilgrim spirit, and the bearing of a hunter. Welcome then, fierce traveler, to Farlam, our holy yet haunted land. Before you depart, our permitting old bunk a brief warning. Let's keep that weapon drawn. Our kingdom is gripped by a curse. Its paths grow wild and dangerous, and still some still attempt to climb into the citadel. At its crest, none return to speak of their sin. Well, I can't explain why she said that, but I really don't want to spoil it. I've already done some light foreshadowing. So how are you going to begin your route is you're going to go here. Now, warning, this hole is not something you want to go down. You're going to want to go here. There's a bench here, so if you've done your travels, you can go here. You can rest. Equip tools. Resting sets this as your spawn point. I'm not going to be using benches, and you can buy benches, by the way. You have to. Some places require you to buy benches. The citadel is no joke. So you might be tempted to go here, but there's nothing there except for the best NPC in the game. I'll let us go have a quick chat with him. Oh, hear me pray, please hear my EC. My path ahead, but here's the thing, I can't squeeze past a gate of bone. So please wake up and help. Oh, why do you sing, little one? The bony gate seems like a poor audience. Oh, but of course I think I'm Sharma, a pilgrim just like you. I hear the call of the great citadel just like every other devoted soul. You can read all of this yourself. I'm not gonna be reading all this shit because I already read all of it. Even though Sharma is the best NPC in the game, his dialogue is sometimes unknown, except for Act 2. So in Act 2 he really has some very good things to say, and especially in Act 3. And 3 is the only reason you're practically alive. Because he's the only reason Song plays alive. Well, just don't listen to me if you don't want no spoilers. You'll find out what Song plays in Act 2. This is a slight detour, which will help you out a lot. These are rosary, also known as beads. Let that boulder fall on it, don't waste any rosaries. I already tested it out. Either way, you're gonna obtain 60.
התהליכים האלה שהיום מדכאים את ההפגנות ויורים בעם שלהם.
You're gonna just oopsie doopsie doopsie. Oh, hello there. Wait. We're gonna end up in this, and this is called a gauntlet. Alright, watch this. Oh my god. Okay, bind your bind is basically you might be tempted to go here, but you do not want to go there. You want to go down here, and this gate will open. Hello, sir. You can use dialogue afterwards. Now, I'm showing some really skilled parkouring.
היום הם לא מאמינים עד שרואים בעין, איך שאומרים.
Here's a bench you can buy, which I do not recommend this because these parkour thoughts are easy, but you can if you feel like you're gonna die soon in this game, especially in these lava areas, I recommend you get the bench. Now you're gonna want to go here, which you can go to the other side to get your first tool, but it's basically like doing like skip to like no, I don't want y'all to skip some major parts. This part is for those who played Hollow Knight. The original, like not the original. Basically, it's doing the path of pain, but a lot easier. Just a really fuck off. Now here we're gonna here. This part is you don't have to do this part, but if you ever like end up again to where you start the content at, you can go there by going to the very back again of this place and pulling down the but personally you don't need it.
כל התעשייה של הנפט, כל מה שקשור לעניין של הנפט ומסחר והכל זה, אנחנו נגיע לשמיים איתם. באמת העולם משתנה. עוד העולם שלנו.
במזרח התיכון השתנה, ציר הרשע התפרע.
תגיד, אז לשתול, למי כותבים? אתה צריך לשים מסוים, נכון? מצאת הרבה יהודים, למי כותבים?
We're gonna go. We're gonna see this little stone structure. It did where you get silk. You're gonna want to break the moth ball with your attacks. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna get a pin. Now you see this? Do not activate it if you're not ready. But if you're ready, then just walk. Walk! You don't even have to be ready. Just, what is this? Walk. Well, this part is a little skipped to make it easier. This, before you get the silk spear butt, if you're not able to do it, then you must go all the way to this. So basically, just have to press the fly, go up here, and into here. I got to expect this. And you're gonna use your blindfold. And then, what happens? Bound to the silk spear. Next video will be how to get the gist of cloak. This one will be fast. And immediately afterwards is how to get Breadstorm, which is in my opinion best. And how to get the Clinger. Bye everybody.